Integrated circuits, ICs, also known as microchips or chips, are miniaturized electronic circuits that are fabricated on a small semiconductor material, typically silicon. They are composed of numerous electronic components, such as transistors, resistors, capacitors, and interconnects, all integrated onto a single chip. ICs revolutionize the field of electronics by enabling the mass production of complex circuits with high reliability, reduced size, and improved performance. They are widely used in various electronic devices, ranging from consumer electronics to industrial applications. There are different types of integrated circuits. 1. Analog integrated circuits. These ICs are designed to process continuous signals, such as audio, temperature, or voltage. They are used in applications like amplifiers, filters, and power management circuits. 2. Digital integrated circuits. Digital ICs are designed to process discrete signals, typically represented as binary digits, bits. They are used in digital logic circuits, microprocessors, memory chips, and digital signal processing. 3. Mixed signal integrated circuits. These ICs combine both analog and digital circuitry on a single chip. They are used in applications that require both analog and digital signal processing, such as data converters, sensors, and communication systems. Integrated circuits offer several advantages. 1. Miniaturization. By integrating numerous components onto a single chip, ICs enable the miniaturization of electronic devices, making them smaller, lighter, and more portable. 2. Increased reliability. The integration of components onto a single chip reduces the number of connections and solder joints, minimizing the risk of failure and improving the overall reliability of the circuit. 3. Improved performance. ICs can incorporate high-speed transistors, allowing for faster switching speeds and higher operating frequencies. This results in improved performance and functionality of electronic devices. 4. Lower power consumption. Integrated circuits often require lower power consumption compared to discrete circuits, leading to energy-efficient electronic systems. 5. Cost-effectiveness. Mass production techniques and economies of scale make ICs more cost-effective than discrete components. This has contributed to the widespread availability of electronic devices at affordable prices. Integrated circuits have played a crucial role in the advancement of technology and have enabled the development of various electronic systems and devices we rely on today, including computers, smartphones, televisions, automobiles, medical devices, and more.